Welcome, everybody. Thank you for being here. My name is Yibing Yang, and I'm the Director of Strategic Marketing of Renancer. We are an industrialized construction company that aim to provide affordable and dignified housing for low-income families in the state of Mexico. As we know, the world's population has been growing rapidly in the past decades, and this has posed significant challenges, especially in developing countries like Mexico. Statistics shows that more than 400,000 families in the state of Mexico live in inadequate and often self-built homes, with walls and roof made of flimsy materials and with no proper floors to walk on, and living on an income of only $170 per month. Although there are efforts in social housing development, study shows that switching to social housing development incurs much higher financial pressures on the inhabitant than if they stay in their self-built home, as they will be paying a high percentage of their monthly income to cover their loans. Also, most social housing developments are done with traditional construction methods that are slow and economically inefficient, thus making it difficult to control the cost. Therefore, we propose a solution to develop affordable housing better, faster, and cheaper by collaborating with the government for financial support such as loans, lands, credit, as well as subsidies and mortgages options for our customers, and by using industrialized construction method with standardized, non-expensive material to significantly reduce cost and increase production rate while always ensuring the quality of our product. At the beginning, we would like to target a single municipality of Chimalhuacan, which is a suburban town of Mexico City. We plan to expand to other municipalities within the state of Mexico by 2025, and we aim to cover 0.5% of market in the state of Mexico in 2030. But first, looking at the market size of Chimalhuacan alone, it is one of the regions in the state of Mexico that has the worst housing problem. There are estimated 3,000 families in need of affordable housing, and we aim to cover 5% of the market demand in 1 year, which will be 150 houses. And this leads us to our product, a house for four-person family of an area of 25 square meters. It is a house built inside of a factory with a limited number of economical materials and highly standardized components for both the walls and the roof. In the construction process, 90% of the house is assembled in the factory environment. Also, we select sustainable building materials in compliance to Mexico's Sustainable Integrated Urban Development goals. At the end, the cost of construction of one of this housing unit is only 3,000 US dollars. And after the components are pre-assembled in the factory, the house is then shipped by truck in two parts and is installed and assembled in 1 hour on the site, guaranteeing a fast turnover rate for our project. Our business model is all about maximizing social impact by ensuring the affordability of our product while pushing to reduce cost on our side in order to generate profit for our investors. We make 15% margin on each house sold. With 150 houses sold per year, in 5 years we will create a revenue of $2.6 million. We implement an ad hoc development model with the government. Therefore, we collaborate with the governmental agencies to reach out to our customers, to obtain loans and credit to fund our project, and we also work with government to provide subsidies and mortgages financing options to our customers, thus ensuring the sales of our product. The graph here shows the breakdown of our revenue. Our collaboration model with the government will result in close to 20% profit for our investor and us. There are, of course, a few competitors existing in the market for affordable social housing. These here are all Mexican social enterprises targeting the population at the bottom of the pyramid. And comparing ourselves to these companies, we are able to deliver the most economic product because of our level of industrialized construction. We provide a housing solution that addresses both the economic and the quality aspect by utilizing industrialized construction in which 90% of the production process are done in the controlled factory environment. And the streamlined factory production process allows the generation of economic of scale, thus minimizing the cost of a product. Renancer aims to build better, cheaper, and faster, but we do not plan to stop at that. In the future, we would like to expand the modular possibilities of our product, giving the customer the opportunity to make decisions on the design of their own homes. We also imagine offering the possibility to build vertically by adapting our modules. Once our customer outreach has broadened, we will be able to propose our services in many other cities in Mexico that are facing similar issues. Renancer is a diverse team of international multidisciplinary practitioners. We are hardworking, determined, and ambitious, and we truly believe that Renancer can make a difference in the world. In order to pursue our goal, we're looking for an initial investment of 630,000 US dollars for the establishment of our factory, machinery, and materials necessary to build our first 750 houses in 5 years. Please join our effort in fighting the housing crisis. Everyone deserves a home. That was my presentation. Thank you for listening.